Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you're all fit and fine in the best state of health and iman, and you're enjoying your virtual classes. That it's your English period and this is your workbook week going on. So you all are requested to take out English workbook and then turn to page number 49. Now let's raise our hands for dua. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Allahumma inni as'aluka fahman nabiyyin wa hifzal mursalin al muqarrabin. Ameen. Now before getting started, you have to write down the date. It's 22nd December today. Today is Wednesday, and then you have to write down CW. Exercise B, a name for a thing. Here is a picture of a thing. It is a thing to cut with. इस चीज़ से काटा जाता है, काटने के लिए इस्तेमाल होती है. It is a very useful thing. ये बहुत काम की चीज़ है. Do you know what this thing is? ये क्या चीज़ है? This thing is called a knife. You have to write down knife over here. Here they have given you some clues and some hints, and you have to think about what they are talking about. Plus they have given you a picture. But here in exercise B1, they have only given you some clues and hints, okay? No pictures. So you have to read out the clues and then you have to think about the answer. Write the names of these things. Write more than one word for each. यानी एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ का नाम लिखना है आपको ये क्लूज और हिंट्स पढ़ने के बाद. पार्ट ए, अ थिंग फॉर ड्रिंकिंग आउट ऑफ. इस चीज़ में से पानी पिया जाता है. ग्लास, मग, कप. ओके. पार्ट बी, अ थिंग फॉर पुटिंग मनी इन. पैसे रखने के लिए ये चीज़ इस्तेमाल होती है. वॉलेट, पर्स, मनी बॉक्स. पार्ट सी, अ थिंग फॉर पेंटिंग पिक्चर. पेंट, पैलेट, पेंट ब्रश. Part D, a thing for telling the time. Clock, watch, sundial. Part E, a thing for climbing to high places. Ladder, stairs, rope. Part F, a thing for keeping our teeth clean. Toothbrush and paste. There was no space here, beta. That's the reason I haven't written toothpaste. So you can write toothpaste if you have the space in your workbook. And this is dental floss. Okay, I have written floss only. Part G, a thing for looking at far object. दूर की चीज़ों को देखने के लिए क्या चीज़ इस्तेमाल होती है? Binoculars, telescope. Part H, a thing for measuring lengths. लंबाई को नापने के लिए जो चीज़ इस्तेमाल होती है. Ruler, tape measure. Okay, now you can start doing this work and let me share some pictures with you in order to clear your concepts. This is a sundial, beta. This is the earliest type of timekeeping device. This is tape measure. This is telescope. This is binocular, and this is palette. Okay, now come to page number 51. Here you have to write down the date again. It's 22nd December. Here we are going to do exercise A1. Now we are going to do what? We are going to work with pairs. Okay, now think of it, beta, that men and women, cats and dogs, apples and pears. Exercise A1 is complete these well-known pairs. Yani well-known, जाने माने, मशहूर. Pairs, a set of two things used together which are associated with each other or have some kind of relationship. ठीक है, जो एक दूसरे के साथ इस्तेमाल होते हों या आपस में किसी न किस्म का कोई ताल्लुक ज़रूर हो. Use the picture, clues and words. They have given you some clues over here and some words over here. Now you have to think of a well-known pair. Okay, you have to make the pairs. Here the clues are given in the form of words, and here the clues are given in the form of pictures. Okay, now let's start with part A, cup and saucer. Okay, here is a picture clue, saucer. Part B, bow and arrow. This is an arrow. Part C, bread and butter. Part D, hands and feet. Part E, heart and soul. Part F, king and queen. Part G, horse and cart. Part H, pins and needles. Part I, knife and fork. Part J, ladies and gentlemen. Part K, land and sea. Part L, pen and ink. Part M, skin and bone. Part N, heaven and earth. Okay, so now start writing it, beta. If you have any confusion, you may ask me. That's all for now. Take very good care of yourself and your family. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.